Hello everyone, welcome to another short video. In this video we are going to understand how to what is a reg extract and what is a regular expression and how we can achieve the same using AppScript and the formula. For example, we have a question here: how do I turn this into an AppScript? So on my left hand side I have a URL which is google.com/something, and on my right hand side I have applied a array formula. So now if I copy this and I paste it here and I change it to something else, still get the website name. So in this way we can have a lot of garbage URLs on the left hand side, but we can actually filter the domain on the right hand side. So for this we are using a formula, array formula, which is apply this formula to the entire row. If length of A2 to A, whatever fields are there is a length of that is greater than 0, then apply this regular expression, this one over here, and replace this with a blank value, and that's how we're getting this. Now I'm going to show you how to achieve the same using an AppScript. So here I have the code, but I'm going to explain it quickly. Function test regex, for example, we'll call it. And first thing is we have to get hold of all the data in the A column, so for which I have this small line of code here, and I'm just going to run this method, and basically it is going to print all the data that is there in the A2 to A column in the sheet 1. So there you go, we have all the data in the A2 to A column, but now we want to filter this. So we will say data dot for each, and we'll say function and say d is our data, and let's say log d, right? So now let me comment this and let's run this. So it is going to print individually. Now what we'll do is we'll put a if condition here. If d dot length, okay, is greater than 0, then we're going to print. So that means if you press alt we can move. So this is alt, right? We can move like this. So now you're saying if only the length is greater than 0 we want to print this. Okay, so I think what we have to do is here we have to take it's an array, so we have to print this. Now let us see what happens. Yeah, so we got only the valid data from the sheet. Okay, so this is where we can put the logic and execute our regular expression. So now what I have done is I have to declare a regular expression, my regex expression, let me call it. Okay, and the regular expression will take from this formula over here. It is this one, right? Copy this and that will be our regular expression. Okay, so we need to apply this regular expression on d0. That means we have to declare another variable var output is equal to my regex dot exec d0. Hopefully this will work, and the only way to find out is by printing this now. Okay, okay, so let's check dot exec is not a function. Output is equal to okay, so here I have done a mistake. Obviously we have to say new, and we have to say reg expression, and we have to open the parenthesis, and we have to write the entire logic here for the expression. Now it should work. So as you can see, the previous to the regular expression execution and after the regular expression execution, both the values are printed here, but we are not interested in the previous values. We are interested only on the after values. That will be the index 1 in the array. That means this is how we can actually get hold of the data from the sheet, and now we can manipulate it, and we can now update the sheet as well. Sheet app, get active, sheet by name, sheet 1. Oh, dot get range, and dot set value, and we can set the value over there. This is how we can update the sheet. So that was a short introduction of how to convert a regular expression into a app script. Thank you so much for watching, and please keep watching my videos. Thank you.